Hey guys, this is Bill. It is 12:30 a.m. Last call and training for the week. I probably won't do any trading or calling tomorrow. Let's see what time it is. It is Saturday, December 23rd, 12:31. Like I said, it's early in the next day. I want to show you the storm tracker, BitCoin tracker. What I've done is I put some overlays so you guys can see a little bit with, I put the red for the Asian influence and the green for the United States influence. You can see that the U.S. market wakes up right about this time and usually stops right about now or a little bit into California time. But most of the influence is coming from the U.S. and this is the other side of the world over there. And of course they overlap and it's not 100% the way it is. But as you can see, as Asia sold off and took its profits from the Great Fall, you can see that early in the morning it started to make its first attempt at a rise, and then in the morning the U.S. people woke up, and because there's a lot of non-traditional traders, and there was a lot of panic and concern about the fall, and finally it fell down to a low enough point where people said, okay, let's start buying back. And so we see the trajectory here of the potential growth. And so here's right now we're at 1430 on the track that I was showing you. We are bouncing. Let's see what it says. 14,560. 14.5 has been kind of floating around that for a little bit. So where am I? So you can see the potential trajectory here in tomorrow, 24 hours from now. You'll see that we could hit anywhere from 16.5 as high as over 18 in the next 24 hours if it continues on this trajectory. It probably won't shoot up as fast as it did last time because we had a lot of news that caused it to go parabolic and go straight up. But I do expect it to have a pretty decent recovery because the fall was fast. Normally the recovery is almost as fast. So we should see this big spread between this line and this line. So it could go as high as 18,000 again, and but at least 16, 17K by tomorrow night. Now there's a lot of factors. It's Christmas weekend for a lot of people, and you might be distracted and stop trading or whatever. But here's a potential trajectory for the week. I wanted to encourage you guys that we're probably back on the recovery, and you're also seeing at each one of these bounce points, there's $1,000 bounce that has some good potential for making some money. This is on the hour trade. So we'll be talking more about that next week, showing you guys how to take advantage of the bounce. I got actually one or two today that were good enough to make a little bit of money. If you guys were watching that, it went exactly as planned. So a lot of good things going on. You guys have a great weekend. Have a great holiday, whichever one you celebrate. See you on the next one.